You know that feeling, when you want to speak Spanish, but the words just don't come out. When you freeze, when you feel embarrassed, when you think, maybe I'm just not good at languages. But what if the problem isn't you? What if you were never meant to memorize grammar, never meant to repeat random phrases, never meant to study Spanish like a school subject? Because the truth is, your brain learns languages through sound, not textbooks. And that's why Spanish has felt so hard, until now. At SpanishForNewbies.com, we created something different, something simple, something gentle, something that finally works. 400+ audio lessons that train your brain naturally, the same way you learned your first language, by listening. No pressure, no shame, no memorization, just Spanish that finally clicks. If you've been struggling, if you felt stuck, if you've ever told yourself, I'll never get it, please don't give up. You can speak Spanish. You will speak Spanish. And this is the easiest, most natural way to begin. Visit SpanishForNewbies.com and give yourself the chance you deserve.